If I could start college again,
I would reach out to more seniors for
changeable routine, not something that's very set in stone.
Should I make the most out of college? How should I make the most out of my teen years?
I would just make a disciplined.
Live in the studio, associate with a few people who tend to associate.
Take things at your pace.
I would just apply to everything because
I would take things more chill.
And this was the one question that I asked to 16 law students. Hi everyone and welcome back to the channel. This is Harshita and I am a law student at NLU Delhi. In case you're new to this channel, then this channel is all about law school, college life, well-being, and even if you're not a law student, you will relate to the content here, so make sure to check the channel out. And in today's video, so basically let's start. How did I get the idea of this video itself? A lot of freshers are coming up right now, right? And all they ask is any advice. Now this question is really broad because they want advice on everything: academics, extracurriculars, college, new environment, friendships, time management, everything. So I asked my friends this one question, that if you could start college all over again, what would be the one thing you would do differently? And their answers quite shocked me. So let's get started with what they
if I
had
could
to
start
say.
college again, the things I would do differently is that I would build like a changeable routine, not something that's very set in stone, because there are a lot of meetings and lots of things that happen in college which are absolutely impromptu. So having a very rigid routine did not help me, and so that's what I would do differently.
If I could start college again, this is a very serious answer, but I think I would study harder and make a disciplined and be disciplined basically.
Start again college, then I think I would take things more chill because I feel I would be more patient because there are more 4 years and it's not that deep. Things would get better and you will
If
find
I
it
could
better.
start college again, it would probably be that I wouldn't take so much on my plate at once and be inspired by other people, that if they're doing the same thing, I should also do that. But yeah, that's it. If there's anything else, I don't think I'd like to change that because friendship-wise, the first year was amazing.
If I could start college again, I would probably realize that it's fine to miss out on stuff because in the first semester especially you have the fear of missing out and you want to try everything, but obviously you won't be able to try everything, so it's fine. Like, take things at your pace. Everything will come to you sooner or later.
if I could start college again, I wouldn't compare my college life with others because it seems very differently on Insta than it is in real life. And don't take things as serious because nothing is as deep as it seems it is.
Personally, if I could start college again, I would definitely participate more because I feel like in your first year you have that liberty because you're like a fresher. So definitely I would like participate more.
If I could start college again, I feel like I would say I wouldn't be so scared to take opportunities. Like, I would just apply to everything because I feel like in my first sem, I felt like I was so in over my head. I didn't know what anything meant, what anything was. I didn't know what an OC was. I didn't know what a JR-ship call meant. But the stakes are so low in the first year, I feel like you'll only ever benefit from applying to everything. So that would be my advice. Just apply for everything. You'll learn even if you get rejected.
If I was supposed to start college again, I would be more open to new experiences. I would not focus only on academics, but focus more on extracurriculars as well. Have a good balance between extracurriculars and activities like moot courts and ADR.
If I were to start my first year again, I think I would just enjoy my time more without any stress.
If I could start college again, I don't think I'd do anything differently because I got to learn a lot from all the mistakes I made and I wouldn't trade that for anything else.
If I could start college again, I would reach out to more seniors from the beginning of college itself because they're all so nice, and stop being intimidated by them in the beginning. And honestly, you need seniors to survive here.
I would be more self-assured. I would trust myself more. I would trust myself more. I would have the faith in myself that okay, चीज़ें कितनी भी ख़राब चली जाए, at the end things would work out, and I will.
Hi Harshita. My answer to your question is that there are few things which I would be doing the same, and the first one of is to give myself time to realize that everyone is different here and I have my own journey, and to take full effort and energy to talk to people and socialize more, and at the end of the day, जैसे भव्या ने बोला, to trust myself a lot.
Is there anything you do differently?
For now, I don't think so, because I feel like the first semester was very new for all of us, and I was taking a lot of time spending with knowing people out there. And when I see myself now, like I'm more extrovert now, and in first semester I was introvert. So I think it's more about giving yourself time to adjust to a new place.
If I were to start college again, I would probably socialize more with the people and be confident about myself.
If I were to join college again, I would probably not live in the hostel anymore. Yeah, that's it, I guess. Because no. The thing is, when you live in the hostel, you associate with a few people who tend to associate with items or intoxicants of certain nature that tend to strike back to you in a manner that you would never envision in your life. Which is why you would rather not live in the hostel anymore, which is the root cause of the problem.
So, what is the takeaway from whatever they had to say? Because I'm sure you're confused now. Somebody is saying that you should take things more chill. Somebody else is saying that you should apply to basically everything. And all of them are talking about their experiences, right? I think the biggest takeaway that I took from this is that we assume there is one correct way to do college. There is none. It was an empirical study and things are right before you. There is no one correct way to do things. Somebody who's enjoyed a lot in first year would probably want to study. Somebody who's studied the whole first year would probably want to enjoy more. And this keeps on going about life as well. So how do we make peace with what we have to do and what we should do? Because I want to do everything, right? But I also want to chill. I think the only thing that gives you peace is the fact that you do your college on your own. By which, what I mean is that if you are applying to something, it's because you want to. If you are going out, it's because you want to. If you are studying, it's because you have goals. It should not be done because others are doing it, because everybody has a different perspective on what a college life looks to them, and you don't have to adhere to it just because your friend is doing so, or just because somebody who you think has gotten it all together is doing so. You do you and they do them, as simple as that. So if you're confused as to how should I make the most out of college, how should I make the most out of my teen years and stuff like that, trust me, the thing that will give you most peace is the fact that you do what you want to do. If 16 people can walk into the same university, sit in the same classrooms, go through everything the same way, but still have different things to say, that just means that everybody has a different perspective of what kind of life they want, what kind of college life they want. And you get to decide that for yourself. So stop letting internet or social media fool you into this is the correct way of doing college and this is the wrong way of doing college. You sit, you look inside you, you see what is it that you want out of your college life, what is the era you want your life to be right now, and you do that. As simple as that. Honestly, it is so human of you to stop midway and ask 100 times, am I doing enough? Am I doing this right? Am I behind? Do I belong to this place, right? And trust me, every single person that I've talked to in this college, talked to outside this college and my other college friends, all of them feel the same. All of them in the start feel that they are behind. All of them feel that imposter syndrome, that they are the ones who do not belong here. But it gets better. You are in a new environment. You don't know how exactly to feel about it. You don't know how exactly to deal with this. Your survival instinct goes haywire. You don't really know how do I survive in this place because everybody is new and people have got friends and they've got this and they've got that. I have nothing. Trust me, you have yourself, and that's all you really need. You will find your people eventually. You will also go through some things that are not the best. For example, you'll go through low phases, you'll go through some friendship breakups, but that's just a part of it, because every time you let go of something, something bigger and something better comes up. So please do not make yourself feel like, please do not bully yourself into feeling that you have to be presentable all the time, you have to be good at everything. Just try whatever you want to. If you want to go do extracurriculars or academics or go out or study, whatever you want to do, that, but make sure that you know that your decisions have consequences, and everything in life is a trade-off. So if you choose something, you're saying no to something else. And even if you feel overwhelmed by all of this, just know that we all are learning at the end of the day. I am in my third year making this video, but there are still so many days where I don't know if I should do this or if I should do that, or I get confused about it, because I am a human at the end of the day. So let's not make things overcomplicated. Let's not push ourselves all the time कि यार मुझसे कुछ नहीं होता, मुझसे ये नहीं होता, मुझसे वो नहीं होता. Let's take a chill pill and let's actually enjoy, because you're finally in college, guys. मतलब, if you're about to join college, if you're about to join college in a year, if you just joined college, this is a new fucking chapter of your life. Like, make the most of it, have the most fun, do whatever you want to do, and live this beautiful chapter fully. And I leave you with this fun question that I read in my journal. I wrote about it a while back, and I think that answered most of it for me as to what I want. If you were watching this as your future self, what is the one thing you hope you'd not regret? Think about it, look inside you, ask yourself questions, and then decide how this beautiful chapter is gonna look like. And if you like the video, then make sure to subscribe the channel and like the video and everything. And if you have any question, then make sure to drop them down in the comment section. And that's about it. Bye bye, take care, love you all.